I'm going for the two-tone look with our car, so with the white and the matte black from the top half up. Next issue to address is this right here. So if you want to go from this to this, then follow this video and I'll show you how to do it. There's a couple of different ways this can be done. I don't want to worry about the piano black for now. Yes, that bothers me, but that's not for this video. So you can get this wrapped in matte black like I've done the roof up top, but you can also get these covers as well. So these covers you can get online from Yihua. They sell them, they have glossy black, matte black, and they just come with the double-sided tape and that will stick onto there and that'll blend in nice and easy. So just like I've got the door handle covers on there, this will pretty much be exactly the same. Just like most things you stick to the car, you got to prep it first. You can get a wax and grease remover, or I just use the Bowden's Flash Prep. Just gets rid of any oils or silicons or anything that might stop the adhesive from sticking to it. So just give that a good clean up first. Got a few scratches on mine from going out in the bush. Get that all cleaned up nicely. Dry it off. And the NFC will still work because it's only a thin plastic cover that's protecting it, so you won't have to worry about that. All right, we'll peel all the backings off now and then we'll get that stuck on. All right, it'll look like that. And then we're ready to stick it on. Start with the side closest to the windscreen. So you want to get that on that way first, and then let it come all the way around this way. It'll find its spot. And make a nice click, and it'll be in there nice and strong, just like that. And there you have it on. So if it's even not for the color change, it's a good protector to have on there as well, so your actual mirror is not getting scratched. Yes, you do see a small line of the color still. Doesn't bother me too much, because overall, that looks a lot better. So much closer now to the whole top half being matte black. So it matches the door handles really well as well. And when you lock the car, it still folds in. And we'll just try that as well, the NFC. Yep, still works, it's all good. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.